As a professional chef, I've watched as sous vide cooking has broken out of the kitchens of the world's finest restaurants and been embraced by the home gourmets. But one thing professional kitchens have that most residential ones don't is plenty of room. Hi, I'm Daniel Green and I'm here in the Gourmia kitchen to show you how, even if you don't have space for a full-size sous vide cooker, you can still use the sous vide cooking method. Here's the sous vide cooker we're going to use for our demonstration. With the Gourmia Immersion sous vide pod, any pot you already have that's large enough becomes a sous vide cooker, just like that. Oh, by the way, a metal pot will do. We're using a glass one just so you can see what's going on. If you don't already know, the ancient art of sous vide uses a heated water bath to cook food at low temperatures for leisurely cook times. The result is perfectly tender, mouth-watering cuts of meat, crisp, tender vegetables that retain all their nutrients, and fish that's always fresh and moist. Gourmia's ingenious sous vide pod heats water to a maximum of 203 degrees. Its powerful, quiet run pump gently circulates the water at more than 2 gallons per minute to ensure even temperatures throughout the pot. The controls allow you to set the desired temperature, to see the current temperature of the water, to set the cooking time, and to see the time remaining in the cook cycle. This particular sous vide pod has something very special. Wi-Fi. That means you can control your pod using your smartphone from the Gourmia app available at iTunes and Google Play. The app also features great recipes by best-selling writer Jason Logsdon to get you started on your journey towards a healthier, tastier lifestyle. Do you avoid making turkey because it never seems to come out right? Well, with the GSV150, just open recipes on your Gourmia app. Go to poultry, choose turkey breast, and just press cook. Now, by the time I've put all the fixings together, my turkey is done to perfection, moist and delicious. It really couldn't be any easier. And when you're done, your pinpoint accurate silent running sous vide cooker fits in any kitchen drawer. It is simply brilliant.